aquatics obviously a big part of the Y's mission and your programming. And let's talk about, will you share a little bit about one of your key programs, your signature programs is Make a Splash. So will you share a little about that?
Yeah, the Make a Splash or Safety Around Water program, we really got involved with that when we saw the drowning rates in Idaho.
Right.
And Jason, you know that Idaho leads the nation always in number of drownings per capita.
Yeah.
We're in the top 5 always. And we have the cure. We can teach kids how to be safe.
Yep.
And so Make a Splash is a program where we pick up kids at school, bring them to the Y, put them through a series of 9 lessons.
Yep.
And we're not saying people will be Olympic swimmers by then, but they'll know how to be around water, how to get in the water, and most importantly, how to get inside and get out, no matter what the body of water is. So, you know, one of the most compelling stories I can think of is we had a refugee that came to Boise from the Congo, and this young man had lived in a camp, a relocation camp, for a decade, and survived. You know, not the best circumstances. He came to Boise, and he drowned within 2 weeks at Quinn's Pond. And so we just said, you know, how can you be in Boise, Idaho, and not survive when you'd been in the Congo? In a camp. And so we even went so far as to reach out to the refugee community, bring them in, and also go out to them with this program. And we had this young man's younger brother in the program. And his mom was just like so thankful that his younger brother got to the program, learned how to be safe around water when the older brother didn't.
Oh my.
And so it's really, you know, I know every day we change lives, but I also know the YMCA saves a life.
Right.